Have you ever found yourself stuck with an old LinkedIn account you can't access because the email is outdated as fax machines? Well, you're not alone, and today we've got the solution for you. Hi LinkedIn users, it's me Ethan and welcome back to our channel. In the digital age, it's not uncommon to lose access to old email accounts. But what happens when you need to delete a LinkedIn account tied to one of those ancient emails? Let's dive into how you can bid farewell to that old profile with no email access required. LinkedIn has evolved tremendously since its inception, becoming more user-friendly and essential for professional networking. But that old account from your teen years? Not so much. If you're like many of us, revisiting an old account can feel like opening a time capsule. But when it's time to clean up your digital footprint, not having email access can seem like a roadblock. Deleting your LinkedIn account without email access is possible, and we're here to guide you through that. What you need to do is to first attempt to recover your old email if possible. And the second step is that if the email recovery fails, navigate to LinkedIn sign-in page and select Forgot Password, followed by Can't Access this email. And as the third step, submit a new email and provide identification for verification. LinkedIn's customer support is your ally in this journey. They'll need some proof that you're the rightful account owner, so be prepared with an ID. Once you've regained access, deleting your account is straightforward. Just sign into LinkedIn and navigate to Settings and Privacy under the Me drop-down. Now select Close Account and following the prompts to confirm. Remember, closing your account means saying goodbye to your connections, messages, and endorsements. Make sure it's what you want before taking the plunge. That's it for today's video tutorial on deleting your LinkedIn account without email access. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. In case you had any questions or insight, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.